Hi guys, my name is Clement Johnson. Currently I'm working as a software development engineer in Galactus Funware Private Limited, which is well known for the name MPL. I was able to crack the interview of MPL. The whole credit actually goes to Outscale. It is only because of their industry oriented projects that I was able to finish in Outscale that I gained or I trained myself into an industry accepted professional. When I was joining Outscale, there were actually two courses offered. One was a full stack web development course, and another one was full stack game development course. And I was pursuing full stack game development course. From my side, the major attraction for me into the course was like it was not like a typical Unity development course. At first, the ISA agreement that they were keeping was like they by completing this course we will be able to achieve a job of at least 5 LPA, and only if we were able to achieve such a job that we have to pay them back. And that word itself felt like so from somebody who are really confident about what they are doing, and that was the reason that I was ready to join the course. And the next attraction was of course the syllabus offered by Outscale, because everything mentioned in the syllabus was industry relevant. So I was happy to join. And once I was in the for every day we had assignments and projects in Outscale, but I never felt like that I was finishing some assignments. It was like every assignment was a challenge. It was like a quest that we have to solve it. And it is instead of having normal typical tutorial sessions, we will be having group discussion where our assignments being reviewed by the faculties like Mayank sir and Yasi sir. And in group discussion, each of the student were treated individually. Everyone's code were analyzed and given review by them, gave us relevant corrections, gives pro tips. And it was never a boring session, because of course, as I said, it was not a tutorial session. It was completely an interactive session. It was actually a simulation of industry group discussion. So it is through the group discussions that I learned. I was actually a really bad programmer in the beginning, but now I'm able to change the way that I was coding. It was much more industry level. Like I can confidently say that my code is now look like an industry level code, and it's only happened due to Outscale. And speaking about the interview preparations, it was like we had special interview preparation sessions by taking mock interviews with our faculties and with our batchmates. By that, we will be getting almost every possible questions, both technical questions and as well as non-technical questions. So when we were approaching a company for a technical or non-technical interview, we never felt like odd feeling or nothing like that, because it was like we were already been attending a lot of interviews, mock interviews. So we never felt a difference with the professional interview. So that itself gained a lot of confidence for us people while sitting in front of an interviewer. And I think that was also a factor that that gives us a mileage. So that's all about from my side about Outscale. And once again, thanks for everyone in Outscale, especially Mayank sir, Yasir sir, and Shubham sir, and to all my fellow batchmates who was there to support me through this entire journey. And I would for sure recommend this course to everyone who are looking themselves to raise themselves as an industry level professional. This course will be of course a right choice for you. You will never feel disappointed. So best wishes for your future as well. Thank you.